Hi guys, it has been a while since I did the DIY, but unfortunately I haven't done the DIY videos in a while. Well, the first one I did was the Valentine's Day cinnamon roll. If you guys haven't seen it, definitely go check them out. I will put the art card there or have the video link in the description below. You can check it out right after this video. But anyway, what I'm about to do this video, I'm about to be making friendship bracelets just to do beginner levels. And I'm not the best professional jewelry thing, but I will handle it very well. So all you just need is the little threads or yarns. If you do have a friendship bracelet kit, make sure you have the instructions with you and a ruler. So yeah, if y'all ready, then let's get started. So what you want to do is make sure that the yarn or thread is the same length, but this one's not. I have to cut the trim in there. Again, first you want to make fold in half, make a move like this, and just try and go a little hole there, just like this. Also, you want to make sure you measure your wrist so that way, just to let the wrist fits. I like about 5 or 6 inch of my wrist, but we'll just see. So start out, I'm gonna do the knot first. Well, you only need is the 2 strings. Since we tied early, I'm gonna have to cut the little trim and excess off. So we're gonna make it 2 trims. So I'm gonna start with the orange first. You want to tape this into a little number 4 like this. Just make it to a 4. Take the orange string and do a knot like that. Oh. And you want to do the same thing for the other color. Now you want to repeat the process. Has been like an hour or 2 since I bracelets, so I did was for them. So this is the twist, the 2 threads, and last but not least a single tied. Well, if y'all enjoyed this video, give this video a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos to come. I hope y'all enjoyed the day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all very soon for the next video.